Hello guys, welcome to my channel Machine Learn. In this video, we are going to see 10 myths about programming. So before starting, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our videos. So with that, let's start our video. This video is going to be informative, so watch this video till end. So the first myth about programming is that your math skills determine coding skills. Math skills really don't make a good developer. If someone is not into mathematics, they may be a better at certain aspects of programming that may need practical solutions. Mainly game developer use mathematics at high level. Other developer just uses basic algebra and statistics to find out how efficient the code is. Now, the second myth is developer are genius. So this is just not true. You don't need to be genius to become a developer. You just need the motivation and ability to learn new things. Being a programmer is like a trial and error case. Make mistake and learn from your mistakes. This will help you to be the good developer. Now the third myth is that you should master one language. Developers with this mindset never grow fast in their career. Programming world changes very rapidly and you have to change with this world of program. If you won't change yourself, you will be categorized as legacy classes. Now, the fourth myth about programming. No language is better than other one. Let me tell you, there is no perfect language that exists. All languages have their pro and cons. Take example of Python. Python is one of the most demanding language in world right now. But this does not mean C language is a underrated language. We use NumPy in Python for machine learning, but this NumPy is made in C++ language. When it comes to C++, C++ offer us various good things, and when it comes to speed, no one can match the speed of C++ language. That's why now also C++ is one of the demanding languages. So don't think that old languages is no more useful. Now coming to our fifth myth. You can learn a language in few days. Yes, it's very much true. You cannot learn a language in few days. Yeah, you can learn some basic concepts of the language but cannot become master of that language. Fluency is any language can only come when you patiently do it for hours and hours. You might feel frustrated, but you have to be consistent in learning. You have to practice it as much as you can. Okay, moving on to our next myth. Coding is all about writing code. Well, you can't say that. While coding, there are many things you have to think about. You have to make various decisions. For example, by using if-else block, a developer make various decisions. There are also various points a developer should keep in mind, like where the code will break. They have to handle error and there are non-functional requirements also, like designing. Communication with their team is also very much important so that they can prepare about their strategies. So that's why it's not just about writing codes. Now coming to our seventh myth, that is developer do not socialize easily. Many people think that programmer want to stay lonely. They just wear a hoodie and sit alone in a dark room and operate their gadgets. But actually, this is just not true. Developer has to attend hundreds of meetings with their team and discuss about their strategies. So they are very much interactive. Just because they have to give hours and hours to make a software doesn't mean they want to stay alone and do not want to socialize. Okay, moving on to our next myth, that is, freshers always think they are better. It might be due to age factor. New developer always think they are better than experienced one. Well, learning new language don't make you better, because in this programming world, if anything matter the most is experience. So don't think that experienced developer using older language are dumb. Moving on to our ninth myth, that is, programming is a boring job. If you do something for a longer time of period, you might get bored. Well, if you think that is the case with programming also, so you are totally wrong, my friend. Programming is all about thinking and coming up with a solution for a problem. How could someone say this job is boring? Now, going to our next myth, and this one is the last myth, that is, all developers are same. Let me tell you, every developer has their own skill in which they have achieved mastery. So, the statement that all developers are same is way too wrong to say. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. With that, goodbye, keep learning and keep coding.